Okay, what do we have here, Sister June?
Pierogi time cooking. See, with me, I can do three at a time.
Okay, so 3 pierogies in the boiling pot of water.
It's, with me, it's three, but for a beginner, one.
Oh, I see.
See, with me, it's three or maybe four.
June's been doing
Depends
this
on
for...
how many fingers you have.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see. Oh, okay. How many do you have there, sister?
Oh, that's three.
Okay, good.
The first attempt.
Okay, there we go.
Not mine.
There we
Not
go.
mine.
Okay, so look at that. So we made the pierogies. They put them into this pan with some flour,
Flour.
and then
And,
if you're a beginner, you put one at a time into the pot. Oh, I'm gonna zoom up. Sorry, but Sister June has been doing this for a while, and she says do 3 at a time.
The
Okay.
whole load went in.
Yep.
So the whole rigmarole went in.
Yeah, and then stir it with a wooden spoon.
Oh.
About that.
Does it have to be a wooden spoon?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, because if a metal or what, it will cut into the pierogi. So I always use a wooden spoon,
Okay.
and it's when they're done, it will when the pierogi's done, it will come up.
Okay. So they'll come up. Oh, look at that!
They
I
float
see
to the
something.
top.
It's coming.
So they'll when they're done, they float to the top.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Yeah.
if you use a metal spoon, they will cut in. So best to use wooden.
Oh
All right.
yeah.
All right. So they're
Is
coming.
there salt in that water?
Yes.
Okay.
So salted water, heat it up. Okay. How long will it take? Are we almost there yet?
Got two coming up. So
Oh.
it's coming up more.
Okay. So this is how quick it
Yeah.
actually comes. So we're actually seeing them getting ready here. All right. Look at this.
Maybe 2 minutes, maybe.
Is it 2 minutes? It looks like they're getting. Oh wow.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
coming up.
It's coming above.
Like that's how you see cooking pierogies. Cooking it's very easy. It's come up, done, but making them, rolling out, cutting them, peeling, that takes time. But
Okay.
cooking, it's like no time. It's like a little more. Come on, guys.
We have the cooking assistant, Sister Wenda.
Oh yes, I'm a big help here.
Yeah, of course.
Well, I did a not bad job on the pierogies. My first one was a bomb, but the rest of them turned out pretty good, actually.
That's usually the case. I know I bomb on first things, but all right, it's looking
Okay.
good. Look at this. All right, so stir it around.
Okay.
All right, so
Okay.
are we the next step? Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Oh, look at this.
scoop and drain.
So scoop, drain.
Yeah, and you have to have a corn roll.
Colander.
Yep.
Colander. Okay.
And put it in a pot. Put
Mhm.
it in. Make sure no water.
All right. Well, I'm getting hungry looking at all these pierogies. Wow. So.
Okay.
All right. So the
Then-
turn this off.
Yeah, we could probably turn that off.
Okay. So now. Oh, look at that. Now
Into the pot.
into the
And
pot.
then
Oh,
it's like
there's more. And there's more. Oh, we got the good stuff.
butter.
What's that? Oh, butter.
Yep.
Not that fake margarine stuff or
No.
anything. Butter. We want butter. Okay. Oh, look at that. So, what do we do?
Why you put it right on, then it won't stick.
Won't stick. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Boy, it's a good thing we pinched them together hard. I can see where this.
Yeah,
If you didn't do a good job,
Yeah,
you'd have.
because you can see the cheese got leaked out because some did not got pinched well.
I wonder who did those ones. I'm sure none of it will go to waste.
Oh no.
Oh, well, they look yummy. So, I guess from this point, what's the next part? Oh, look. Guess what we got? We got fried onions that goes with that. And then sour cream, and we're off to the races. All right, well, this
Okay.
is... Nope.
Should I start making the next batch?
Yeah.
Okay, we're done at this point. So, yeah, we're ready. These are the pierogies that Sister June has brought together and showed us how to do it. Glory to the King.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.